What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy Boy here, and today I'm going to make some pizza dough without yeast or like letting it rise or kneading it or anything. So the first thing, flour. Just going to make like a medium sized pizza, so I'm going to put in about a cup of flour. These are a bit small, these cups, so I'll show you about a little bit more. Baking powder next. So for the baking powder, about 1.5 teaspoons chuck in. It's probably about 1.5 there. It's about heat. Put in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't like it too salty. And half a tablespoon of olive oil. Give it a bit of a mix. And then probably between about a 1/4 of a cup and 1/3 of a cup of water. Just going to add a little bit at a time, try and get the right kind of consistency. You want it so it's sticking together, but not so sticky that you can like kind of touch it and pull your hand away without any of it kind of coming off, like attaching to your hand.